Oh, so fatty. Oh, you got me. You're not mean. You're not mean. You're just a fat cat who wants to play. Oh, oh, you got me. It's a good kitty. It's a good kitty, huh? No, you don't want to hurt me. Oh, see, you want to be petted, but then you want to be tickled. Oh, you got me, Salem. You're not really mean. Oh, got you, fat cat. Oh, your claws are vicious. I'm petting you. Oh, you big meanie. You gonna bite me for real? I'm petting you. You let me pet you. Good kitty, kitty. Hey, this is a good kitty. Good kitty. Say, oh, you let me pet you. Hey, don't you bite at me. Oh, you got me. You like when I pet you. Ooh, them teeth, you're vicious. Vicious when you look like that. Oh, no. Oh, you got me. Hey. Rude. Rude. Ow. Rude kitty. So rude. You ain't quick enough. Too fat. You're too fat, you little vicious kitty. Oh, really? Oh, you got me. Hey, come here. Go. Oh, no, where you going? Salem. Hey, come here. Come here, kitty. Get over here. Really? That's rude. That's rude. Fine. What's up, buddy? What you doing? You wagging your tail, you little demon cat. Come here. What you doing? Sam. Come here. Oh, come here, good kitty, kitty. See, you okay? What you doing? Come here. Oh, come here. What are you doing, black cat? What are you doing, black cat? Are you mad at me because I called you fat? I didn't mean it. You're not fat. You're healthy. Kitty, kitty.